guys, Angela here. Welcome back to my channel, Angela Mutavi Art. And in today's video I am doing another swipe, and I want to make another abstract painting. Let me show you the colors I'm going to use. I'm using purple, red and gold today. And as you can see that I went ahead and put some black paint on the edges of my canvas at 12 by 12, and that paint there that you see is cloud mixture. So I'm gonna put the cloud mixture on the two chambers, outer chambers of that container, and then I will layer the other colors in the middle chambers. And once I do that, I will put a little bit more cloud paint in the middle of the canvas, and then I will pour my colors by doing a traveling cup. And yeah, then after pouring them, I will go ahead and tilt them. And then once I tilt, I will use my palette knife to make my designs by just swiping the paint all over the canvas. So yeah, so just watch and see what happens. Thank you for being here, and watch until the end, and you will love the outcome. It is really beautiful. Again, I will see you at the end of the video. guys, so this is the wet result here, and look how it turned out. This is so beautiful now. Beautiful painting, and it was so easy to paint. So simple and quick, and this is how it turned out. Okay, I'll show you the dry result when it dries. Okay, thank you for being here, guys. Guys, here's a beautiful painting. Oh, I love the way it dried. It's really beautiful. And dried is so nice. Look at all these details. And the gold just makes it look so beautiful. And you guys know me with composition. I love composition, and the composition looks really good right now. So yeah, thank you so much for being here, and write me a comment. Let me know how you like this painting. Now guys, if you like to purchase this painting, I am going to put it on my website. I do have a website. It just went live not too long ago, and yeah, it is AngelaMutaviArt.com, just like my YouTube channel. It is AngelaMutaviArt.com, all one word, .com. So yeah, thank you so much. If you like to browse and shop for some of my paintings, please go there, and you will have plenty to shop, to purchase if you like. Thank you so much again. I appreciate your presence here and support with engagement on my YouTube channel. Thanks again, and see you on my next video. God bless. Bye.